Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore A/B testing setup with Google Optimize Alternatives, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current A/B testing needs and objectives. Identify the primary goals you want to achieve with your A/B testing. Research the current alternatives to Google Optimize. Some popular options include Optimizely, VWO, and Convert. Choose a platform that fits your specific requirements and budget. Set up an account with your chosen tool. Familiarize yourself with the interface and features of the platform. Define your target audience for the A/B tests. Create a new experiment within the platform. Determine the variations you want to test against each other. Develop your test variations, ensuring they focus on different elements. For example, change the color of a call to action button or modify headline text. Implement tracking mechanisms to measure key performance indicators. These KPIs could include conversion rates, bounce rates, or user engagement. Launch your A/B test and monitor its performance regularly. Collect data over a predefined period to ensure statistical significance. Analyze the results once the testing period concludes. Identify which variation performed better and understand why. Document your findings to help refine future tests. If needed, iterate on your winning variation for further optimization. Lastly, communicate your results to relevant stakeholders for transparency and insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.